Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about another CSC scholarship and Shanghai government scholarship. So let's start. Type in Google CSC Guide official and click on the first link. After that you can see here is the website cscguideofficial.com, and you can see here's the procedure about applying CSC scholarship, required document sample and professor's emails and all these things which you want. So if you want to apply, then visit this website thoroughly and inshallah you will get the scholarship. So let's start. The first the university which we discuss here is Shanghai Maritime University. Chinese government scholarship means CSC scholarship, and Shanghai government scholarship means SGS scholarship. Okay, so let's start. First one is Shanghai government scholarship, Chinese government scholarship, Shanghai Maritime University. Okay, here is the procedure, applying procedure, how you can apply for this scholarship and which documents required and the other scholarship details. So first one is detail for CSC scholarship for Shanghai Maritime University. Authority is Chinese government scholarship, Shanghai Maritime University, and bachelor, this is for bachelor, master and PhD candidates, and scholarship type is fully funded scholarship. Monthly allowance for bachelor 2500 RMB, 3000 RMB for master, and 3500 RMB for PhD. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 15th of April 2021 is the last date. Eligibility criteria. What is the eligibility criteria for international students? So all international students can apply. Age limit for bachelor 25, for 35 for bachelor, masters, and for PhD 40 years. How to apply for Shanghai Maritime University CSC scholarship? SMTU means Shanghai Maritime University. It's observation. Okay, means shorter. So you can pronounce Shanghai Maritime University to SMTU as well. So first, how to apply for this scholarship? First you need to fill Chinese government scholarship. Okay, and upload all required documents on Chinese government scholarship online application form, and no need to send hard copies. Okay, just send email, means you need to send your documents via email in soft form. No need to apply on university portal, means if you think that after fulfilling CSC online application form you need to fill university online application form for Shanghai Maritime University, no need to apply on university portal. Just fill CSC online application form and send documents to the required email address, on which email address I will tell you in this video. No application fee, no need to send hard copies, and the application will be the result will be announced at the end of July. Click here to fill the CSC online application form. Okay, how you fill the form? You can see you can watch the video on CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Type in YouTube how to fill CSC online application form in English, CSC Guide official, so you can get the form. Required documents for Shanghai Maritime University. So first you need to fill CSC online application form, Chinese government online application form, and CSC online application form. Both are the same, so this is just name difference. Okay, and the agency number is 1024254. Highest degree and your transcript, study plan 200 word for undergraduate, 1000 to 1500 word for master and PhD students, 2 recommendation letters, passport copy, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate. On their official website you can see that you can see on the official website they required IELTS and these kind of things, so don't worry about this. Just English proficiency certificate is enough. Last time my friend got admission in this university, so without IELTS, so English proficiency certificate is enough. Undergraduate students should submit the valid documents for their legal guardian. So if for undergraduate they just if you must have HSK 4. Non-criminal certificate required compulsory for CSC scholarship this year, so you must have this. So after completing this, after uploading these documents on CSC online application portal, then you need to send your documents via email in soft form to this email address. On this email address, or you have to first one, this one, or this one. So you need to send if you want to send you must follow the one email from which you send your documents. Okay, now click here to get their official advertisement of this university, and the majors required for this, you can see they mention on their website, but the link is not working yet. So field of study, all degree programs 2021. So when you click here, then the link is not working, so that's why. After that, maybe after 1 or 2 days it will work, so you can try day by day. Okay, now we discuss Shanghai Maritime University, Shanghai Government Scholarship. Here is the procedure, and this university is the only university you don't need to pay any kind of application fee. This is this is no fee required for this university, and you can apply without application fee as well. So Shanghai Maritime University, Shanghai Government Scholarship for Bachelor, Master and PhD students, and stipend, you can see here is the stipend, which is equal to CSC. Okay, just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 15th of May 2021 is the last date. So for Shanghai Maritime CSC scholarship, Chinese government scholarship, 15th of April 2021 is the last date. And for Shanghai Maritime University, you need to apply before May 15th. Okay, eligibility criteria, you can see all these things are the same like CSC scholarship, means Chinese government scholarship for Shanghai Maritime University. But how to apply for this scholarship? If you want to apply for Shanghai Maritime University Shanghai government scholarship, you need to fill Shanghai government scholarship online application form. But if you apply for CSC scholarship, you need to fill CSC online application form. Upload all required documents on Shanghai government scholarship application form. You no need to fill Shanghai Maritime University online application portal. So just fill Shanghai government scholarship application form. So all your documents to the required email address, which is given here. So you can copy this and send it to the university, and mail send to the university. So no need to apply on Shanghai Maritime University portal, no application fee, no hard copies, and result will be announced at the end of July. Here is click here to apply on Shanghai government scholarship application form. Here is the document required list. So for applying Shanghai government, you need to fill Shanghai government form, and all other documents are same. But self introduction video, if you want to apply for Shanghai Maritime Shanghai government scholarship, you need to make a 5 minutes introduction video, means in which you discuss your personality, hobbies, high school performance rewards, and other things. So no need to upload on SGS portal. You just attach this video on with other documents in email and send it to this email address or this email address. You can send your email for scholarship on this email address. So click here to go to the official advertisement as well. So if you want to apply for both CSC and Shanghai government scholarship in this university, for both scholarship at the same time, then don't worry, you can apply. But for you send your documents in one email, attach all documents. If you want to apply for both CSC and Shanghai government form, attach both these form and all other required documents in one email. All this introduction video as well, if you want to apply for Shanghai government and CSC form as well. So for both this form, you can attach this form and attach and send to the university email address. So you can apply for both scholarship at the same time. So don't worry about this. Click here is the majors available list here also, but the link is not working. So all these things which we already discussed in this video. Hope so it's very helpful for you. No need to pay application fee for Shanghai government scholarship and university scholarship in this video. So in this university, sorry. Good luck and take care of yourself. We'll meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.